In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline shape in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a clean, customizable outline to any shape so your designs look polished and intentional. First, make sure you're in your Canva design and that you have a shape visible on your canvas. This could be a rectangle, circle, triangle, anything from the Shapes section in Elements. With your design open, click directly on the shape you want to outline. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box with handles around it and the top toolbar updates with options specific to that object. If you have overlapping items, click once to select, or use a second click to isolate the exact shape you're targeting. This is important because the outline controls only appear when the correct object is selected. Next, look to the top toolbar and click Stroke Style. Depending on your version or theme, this may appear as Stroke, Border, or Border Style, but it lives in the same top control area. Clicking it opens the outline panel where all the border settings live. If you don't see it right away, double-check that you're on a basic shape and not a grouped element or a complex graphic. The stroke options are designed for shapes, so selection accuracy matters here. Now, select the stroke you want. This is where the magic happens. Turn on the outline and choose the look that fits your design. You can opt for a solid stroke, or, in many cases, explore dash and gap options for a stylized border. Use the weight control to set the thickness, from a hairline accent to a bold frame, and pick a color that contrasts well with your fill color so the outline actually reads. If your design needs subtlety, try a slightly darker or lighter shade of the fill color. For punchier results, choose a brand color or a crisp neutral like black or white. If alignment options are available, inside strokes keep corners tight, outside strokes add width without shrinking the fill, and centered strokes balance both. Preview your changes on the canvas and fine-tune until everything looks even and intentional. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Keep outlines consistent across related shapes for a unified look. If the design feels crowded, reduce stroke weight rather than removing it entirely. And if a shape refuses to show a stroke, it may be a decorative graphic. Swap it for a basic shape, and you'll regain full control. That's it. Click the shape, open Stroke Style, and select the stroke that brings your design to life. Save your work, and you're ready to go.